स्पीच के लिए मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी हमारी ऑनरेबल मिस जस्टिस शैल जैन मैम को। मैम प्लीज़ आएँ और आप दो शब्द कहें, हमारे सभी ऑडियंस का आप उत्साहवर्धन करें और अपने कुछ आप एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर करें कि आपके क्या एक्सपीरियंसेस रहे हैं। सो ज़ोरदार तालियों के साथ हम स्वागत करेंगे शैल जैन मैम का।
थैंक यू। मेरा ख्याल है एक्सपीरियंस का तो कोई टाइम है नहीं. Everybody is looking for their watches, and Justice Jain has also to go, so I will not take much of the time, but the mehnat which I have put in this speech I will definitely read. I will not let it go. Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. I intended to welcome so many dignitaries, but sorry, so many have gone already. So just the system which is going on in absentia, I say everybody is welcomed in absentia. मेरे हाँ कर लीजिए, ये ऐसे ठीक है. वैसे मेरी आवाज़ वैसे भी पहुंच जाएगी, don't worry. So now I will start from Mr. Manoj Tiwari, who saved the day by singing the Vande Mataram. And my senior and my guide, Justice Dr. Sudhir Jain, he has always been my guide since the very first day before I entered in judicial system. Presently he is working as Honorable Chairperson, DRAT Delhi. Ritesh Singh, Principal Secretary, Law Delhi. He has always been a very kind person, always been very, very helpful whenever the work was requiring any help from the law department and otherwise also. Members of the bar, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is a privilege and an honor to be present here today for the launch of this insightful book, Not or Not, on Hindu marriage and divorce, authored by Shri Atul Jain. I extend my heartiest congratulations to Mr. Atul Jain for this remarkable contribution to legal literature. As a first-generation lawyer and practicing advocate, his journey is truly inspiring. Building a reputation in the legal profession through perseverance, integrity, and hard work is no small achievement, and this book reflects those very qualities. The subject of Hindu marriage law is not merely legal, rather it is emotional, social, cultural, and deeply personal. In India, marriage is viewed as a sacred institution, but when disputes relating to divorce, maintenance, child custody, and matrimonial discord arise, the emotional complexity becomes intense. In such situations, the law becomes not only a mechanism for justice, but also a framework to preserve dignity and fairness. What makes this book especially valuable is that Mr. Jain has not simply compiled statutes and judgments, he has added practical insights developed through years of litigation and his honest perspective on how matrimonial disputes should truly be approached. Very few legal books explain how the law actually functions in India, inside courtrooms and within human relationships. This book bridges that gap by offering not just legal provisions, but practical wisdom. I particularly appreciate the emphasis placed on divorce, maintenance, and child custody litigation. These are matters that affect entire family, especially children. Matrimonial litigation can often become emotionally exhausting, where prolonged disputes overshadow the real issues, justice and truth. And perhaps the most powerful message emerging from this book is the simplest one, that the strongest strategy in any legal battle is ultimately the truth. In today's world, where litigation is often seen as a game of technicalities, this principle carries immense value. Truth builds credibility, sustains consistency, and ultimately strengthens both advocacy and justice. Books like these are important because they help lawyers, law students, litigants, and ordinary citizens understand that matrimonial law is not merely about winning or losing a case, but about responsibility, fairness, emotional sensitivity, and protecting human dignity. Once again, I congratulate Mr. Atul Jain on this wonderful achievement and wish him continued success in his professional and literary journey. Thank you all for waiting so long for this speech to end. Thank you. Namaste.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम, काफ़ी इंस्पायरिंग वर्ड्स थे आपके.